Hello everyone, today we're going to be creating a changing color app in code.org. So first thing you need to do is make an account and go to create. Now for this we're going to be selecting App Lab. Now the first thing we need to do is go to the design. Now select a background color. Now create a new screen. Now make this a different color. Now here's the coding. Click on Bring the On event on UI controls. Select your IDE as Screen1 and just simply do not change anything. Click is perfectly fine. Now for this, we'll be clicking the screen and it'll be changing from this color to this screen. So for this, we need to go all the way down and press Set Screen. Select the screen you want. For this case, I need screen 2. Now let's press Run. Okay, let's press this. And here we go. We got this. Now you can design it by your own in a very different manner with many different screens. So why not just go and have a lot of fun. Thank you and goodbye.